Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to discuss some of the different crafty activities with you. It's full of fun and entertainment and best suitable for the kids of different age groups. All you need is some colorful sheets of the paper, scissors, glue stick, markers and you are done. All this activity are based on the DIY paper origami and we are going to create different types of the things. Some are useful things, some are the animals, some are the flowers and all you just need for this thing is just a sheet of the paper and some of your energy, some of your time, some of your patience and you will be done. Let's get started with the different type of the activities that are apparent on your screens. So we are going to show you all these activities are so easy and there are different difficulty levels for each activity. Let's see this type of the activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make a paper origami star. This is the multicolored star. For this I'm taking this mustard sheet of the paper and I'm folding it and making some of the creases out of it. Then I'm unfolding it, then making some of the turns and the twist and converting it into a beautiful star. Here I have chosen the red in the mustard shade. You can use any other favorite two different combinations of the colors like the pink and the blue one. You can use any other color. Let's move further. Here we are going to show you how we can make some of the aeroplanes that are inspired from the DIY paper thing. For this I'm taking the sheet of the paper and I'm just folding it and creating some of the triangles out of this type of the activities. Again very simple and best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. They can definitely go for this one. Even the 8 to 9 can also go for this one. This one is very less time consuming. If we will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is not that much difficult. It's just simple and easy activity. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Then you can decorate it using some of the stickers. I am here using the star inspired stickers. You can use any other sticker. For these type of the jets, it's going to turn into something cool and this is best suitable for the boys. This activity is specially meant for the boys because they just love to create the planes and the jets. Let's move further with another type of the activity. Here I'm taking the sheet of the paper and I'm just trimming it using the scissors, then making some of the cards. We are going to convert it into a beautiful flower. This type of the activity is very simple and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. You must be careful while you are making use of the scissors. Handling of the scissors is very important. You just have to take the precautionary measures because you don't have to hurt yourself. This looks so cool and easy. Don't forget to add the stalk and the leaf area. For this one I am making use of this green sheet of the paper and you just have to create it using the scissors also. This looks so nice and easy. Just go for this one. It's perfect for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Thank you for watching.